In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Postmark. Postmark is a reliable way to send transactional emails from your app or service, and in this walkthrough, we'll go from creating an account all the way to sending a test message with confidence. Start by heading to the Postmark website and signing up if you haven't already. After you create your account, check your inbox and click the confirmation link they send you. Once you're verified and logged in, you'll land on the dashboard, which is your starting point for managing everything. Before sending anything, it helps to understand how Postmark organizes messages. Postmark groups emails into servers. Think of a server as a container for a project, client, or environment like development and production. This separation keeps your settings, message streams, and analytics tidy. You'll have one created by default, and you can add more anytime from the server's area. Next, authorize the addresses you'll send from. You can verify a single sender address or an entire domain. If you're just sending from one specific email, go to Sender Signatures, choose to add a signature, enter an address you control, and click the link in the confirmation email. If you plan to send from multiple addresses on the same domain, verifying the domain is more efficient and scales better. To boost deliverability and trust with inbox providers, set up email authentication. Postmark will show you DNS records for DKIM and SPF, and recommend a custom return path. You'll add these at your DNS provider. This step can take a bit to propagate, so don't worry if it doesn't turn green immediately. If you want extra protection and reporting, add a DMARC record too. Once these are verified, you'll see improved delivery consistency. Now choose how you'll send emails. You can use the API or SMTP. The API offers strong control, great templating, and official libraries for popular languages. You'll use a server-specific token from Postmark in your app. Keep that token secure by storing it in environment variables. If your system already speaks SMTP, you can use Postmark's SMTP credentials and point your app to their SMTP host with TLS. Finally, send a test. Use your chosen method to deliver a simple message to an inbox you control. Then open Postmark's message activity to confirm delivery, view events, and troubleshoot if needed. If something doesn't arrive, check your DNS authentication status, suppression lists, and any bounce or spam feedback in the logs. Separating dev and production servers also helps keep tests and live traffic cleanly isolated. That's it. Your Postmark setup is ready to go.